Hello everybody, my name is Paul Sale. I'll be the instructor for this course. We're really glad you decided to join us in this accelerated format. The course will be fast-paced, but it will be fun. I think the content that you learn from this course you'll be able to use in classroom settings, in settings as an educational diagnostician, and in other settings that you might be in professionally. I do want to note it is a fast-paced course. You'll have something to do just about every day for the first 3 weeks. There'll be small things and big things. There's quizzes that'll be 60 to 70 points each. There's small postings that'll only be 5 to 10 points each. The important thing with this course is that you stay engaged and up to date. I can't stress that enough, particularly in the first part of the course. As this slide illustrates, there'll be a lot of reading in the first part of the course. In fact, the first part of the course is mostly reading. You'll read 2 or 3 chapters a week. It's an accelerated course, so you should expect it. But have no fear, the reading will slow down and the writing will increase towards week 3. In week 3 and 4 and onward, you'll be doing a lot more writing than you will be doing reading. You'll be applying the concepts that you learned through the reading. Again, don't get behind. As you'll note from the syllabus presentation, getting behind can kill your grade. There will be a 50% deduction for anything submitted late. And I do that because this is an accelerated course and it's important that you stay on top of your work because other people are relying on you. Some of the assignments require them to review your work. If you haven't submitted it, they can't review it. So please stay on time. The syllabus will have a day-by-day what's due. As you read it, you'll see there's a lot of stuff happening in the first 3 weeks, and then it's mostly submitting writing proposals. There'll be 3 primary resources that you need for this course. The first is this research, single subject research methodology by Gast. The details of it are included in our syllabus. You'll need to have that. I would suggest that you get it and just start reading. The second document, or second textbook I should say, is a textbook by Terry Overton. We'll only be using 3 chapters for this. Don't buy the whole textbook. You will be, for other courses, using the Pearson electronic materials. I believe those will cost about $125 for 6 months worth of use. We chose those materials because you can use multiple textbooks and multiple courses for one price. That will save you money through these 10 courses because most of the courses use Pearson products. So be sure to buy the Pearson access to that digital library that's created especially for our program. The third document or text that you should buy if you want, although you can find it online or sections of it online, is the APA Publication Manual, 6th edition. Your paper will be formatted in the APA format. So you should use that book to guide how you create your paper. It has information about referencing and citation and all of those questions that you'll have as you proceed through this course. The general flow of the course is presented in front of you now. You'll read the text. Other written and media resources will be presented to you. There'll be an application of the concepts for you to practice through quizzes and case studies. And then, understanding the concepts, you will apply those concepts to your paper. Your paper will be submitted section by section with ample time for both instructor and peer feedback. The feedback is important for you to take into account as you move to the next draft. The first drafts will have relatively low point values. That allows you opportunities to learn as you go. But please put your best effort in each draft, whether it be the first draft or the last draft, so that you can earn the maximum amount of points. The final draft will be a full study based on hypothetical data. You will present material through the methodology of a study, then I will provide you hypothetical data, and then you will write up the results and the discussion as if it was real data. In this course, we don't have enough time to conduct a real study because it takes a significant amount of planning and preparation time to do all of the logistics of conducting a real study. So this will be practice. I know that you conduct real studies every day in your classroom. Hopefully, the practices that we learn in this course will also apply to those real studies that you use in your classrooms and other settings every day as you make instructional decisions